Hello, Keith Downing, CIT 336, doing an Enhancement 7 presentation. All right, so to get started here today, we will be going through some objectives here. I'm going to be showing some code for the client update. And then we're going to kind of go through and show how you can update client information, and you can also update the password. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here. Got my code here. This is my update account, or the client update there. And just through here, we're going to do the login, and then we have kind of our forms, whatnot right down here. You can go through and look at our session information. Going to look, you got the first name, you got the last name information here, and it's going to have the email. Of course, then down here we got a submit button. And then kind of the same thing here, we'll go through with the update the password. And then it's going to go through here and it's going to look for the patterns, 8 characters, the special character, capital letter, etc. And then it's going to also have an update button. And here is just kind of going along with the login screen again. Basically, just going to have, once you log in with your email, it's going to go through the, make sure your password's correct. If not, it'll give you a message letting you know it's not correct. And then it'll also have an account link down there too, as well still. Kind of here in my functions. This one here is going to go through and we go through to check passwords. It's right here. It's going to check, make sure all the requirements are met. Make sure I don't have anything else down here real quick. Okay. Then lastly, for my accounts index here, I'm going to do kind of the same thing where my case statements are. Here, kind of showing here through the switch statement here, it's going to include the login and the registration. It's going to show where the logout takes you when the session's destroyed. It has the registration information here, where it's going to go through and it's going to check. Here we're going to check password, check existing email, check the email. Let's see here. Here's the if statement. Here we got a little bit for checking it in the table to make sure that the address is whether it's in there or not. And then down here, going to check for missing data. Here's going to with it hatching the password. And then here's just going to run the checks, and that's going to see if return if there's any errors. Excuse me. This one, again, it's just going to go through the rest of the information here. We're going to compare the client data, compare the password against the hash password, matching for the client. And then if it doesn't match, it'll pop up your error. It'll bring up the login view again. Please check your password, try again. And if you're valid, then it'll log you in. There's a case statement for the update account. Right here. This is going to also help to make sure that you're including all the information in the fields. And then, this statement here is going to go through and kind of go against the email again. And then they'll show here this one right here, update result. And then what's going to happen is if it's successfully, then they'll tell you your account was successfully updated. If not, then of course it's going to come up with an error saying there was an error. Same thing is going to go through checking the email, making sure they're checking the data, passwords. That'll take care of that. So the next step we're going to go through is we're just going to run code validation on all of this real quick, and then this will just go to show that all code's validated. So we're going to select it all, copy, analyze. I'm going to go through it and make a little bracket happy again. I have to fix that real quick. There we go, went right by it. Okay. Now, we'll run it again. There we go. Sorry about that. And I'll come back here. Go ahead and fix these up real quick. There we go. And there it goes. Like I said, we'll edit and select it all again. Copy. Figure that out. Repaste it. Analyze it. There we go. No issues found. Confirm from both. Right. And this with my login. Paste it. No issues. Clear it. My updated functions. In there. Errors found. And the last time in the accounts. All copy. Clear. Paste. Analyze it. No issues found. So all of our code's coming out clear now. No errors. So it's going to go ahead and run my main page here. Just going to go ahead and go in and showing these fields here. Just going to go ahead and log in my account. There's all my information again. And then here's the tools that I can manage my inventory, product name. Now going into the account information, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this to Keith1. Then I'm going to go in to update the account. And boom, see now it says welcome Keith1 Downing, client first name Keith1. Back, we can update that again, take that off, make it Downing 1, update it. See now it's Keith Downing 1. Take that off. And we can put it as Keith14480 for my email. And now it's Keith14880 at Gmail. Go. Now, let's just go ahead and delete that. Now let's try to update it. Now, see, it won't let me. It's playing, tell me I need to fill filled. So we'll just go ahead and put my email back in here. And then we'll go and update it. Boom. There's my email still. Okay. Now, we want to update the password. Okay. Boom. There. My account was successfully updated for my password. Okay. Now let's say I want to try to put without one of the here. So I want to update it and try to put without no special characters. Now, as it's saying here, please match the requested format. So now it's telling me I need to fix that. So I'll put my special character in, and boom, there we go. My account has been successfully updated. Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and log out. We're going to go in and we're going to create. Okay, make sure I have 1 moment, please. Let's see, got my name. Okay. All right. I believe I've gotten all the information here. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull up my accounts real quick. Okay. All right. And we're going to put Bill, we're going to create an account called Bill Smith. Going to be Bill Smith at gmail.com here. Give him a password. Create Bill's account. Boom. Got Bill logged in. So as we can see here, now I'm PHP admin. And as you can see down here, Bill Smith. And he's a client level 1. So we're going to log in with Bill Smith here. All right. And as you can see now, Bill Smith has the same information. We can change this to William. I'm going to update the account now. It's saying it's William Smith. And we'll go in here to check out our table. And as you can see now, it updated it to William. And also, if you notice, since William's a level 1 account, he does not have those administrative tools down here that we had before when we logged in with my email I created for myself on the system. So now with Bill, he just has the account information. And we can put this new password in for him. Here, watch, we'll update that. There we go. Now his password's updated. And so it's showing as welcome. He's logged in here. Got our log out button. Taking it back home, still fine. Go back to the welcome William screen. We get again, take it right back here with the account information, and we can log out. Thank you for your time and this participation. It's Keith Downing, CIT 336, Enhancement 7.